Hello everyone, and welcome back. I've been getting a few requests on what's going on with the hobby farm here, how many animals I still have. I haven't posted many videos about this because I don't have that many animals right now. I have my 3 ducks in here that are doing real well. Everything is doing pretty good. I've got 8 chickens, all laying hens, and I've still got the 2 turkeys. Like I said, we've just got so much snow this year and the cold. I mean, right now we're, a week into March already, and average temperature this time of year is 37 degrees. And yeah, we haven't seen that for a long time. There's another snowstorm coming in tomorrow. It's going to last about, I don't know, it's just like one day. It's going to be overnight Saturday. And we're supposed to get another 8 to 12 to 15 inches of snow down here. So yesterday after work I jumped up on the roof. I had to get some of that snow off of there. It was literally, there was like 30 inches of snow in places on top of the roof. Miss Rabbit is in there. She seems to be doing well this winter. I think she's ready for some warmer weather also. It's hard to get over to the other side there so you can see the other turkeys, but that snow is knee deep. But anyway, they're all in there. A lot of you have asked how my dad is doing. I'm actually going to be doing an update video here. He has a doctor appointment with the surgeon, which it's been over a month since we've been there, and we're going to go in there the middle of this month here, and then they'll do another CT scan, and he seems to be doing real well. He comes out to the workshop pretty much every day. He only spends a couple hours out here each day, so a shorter amount of time than he used to, but he's been working on this table. He's just about got it. He's putting varnish on it now. I believe in the center that's going to be leather. I don't know. I take pictures the whole way through, and once he gets it closer to being done, I'll probably do just a video on the table. I've been trying to get some video of him out here working on the table, but he's out here when I'm at work, and then when I get home from work, he's already left and went home. I'm not sure if this has something to do with what's going in the middle part of that table or not. I just saw that this was kind of weighted down yesterday, so I have no clue what this is for. We have 5 weeks until Good Friday, and my grandfather on my mom's side always said to have your potatoes in by Good Friday. 12 more inches of snow coming tomorrow. I don't think that's going to happen this year. It's been a couple of weeks since I started O Reliable. Looks like she needs to be fired up again. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. I know this was just kind of a quick update, but like you can see, you just can't do a whole lot with this much snow. And with my dad, I'm pretty much waiting to see, we all are, what the surgeon says, even though he seems to be doing just fine and getting better every day and not as tired as he used to be. And when I talk to him on the phone, he seems normal, and he's back to texting me all the time. I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm actually heading up to the house in Cloquet right now. Spend a few days with Melissa. That snowstorm's going to come up there and drop 6 to 8 inches, so it looks like I'll be firing up the Farmall M tractor again and pushing around some snow. Let the snow begin.